getting her money. The greatest man alive.
Can somebody
roll? Let's see him roll. The greatest man alive, and he is dead. St. Charles.
Grandma's laughing.
Yeah,
$10. No,
you sure that was 10?
give me my $10 because we're here. That's
1,
10.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, thank you. Give me my $10.
Here, yeah.
Cherish that $10. The other one. There's on the other one.
9. Ooh, where's
$9 here.
doggy paddle? I mean, doggy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What the hell? We had all the time. Oh, how much is your rent?
Ooh, which one is that one?
2 houses. All $60.
Ooh, $60.
I'm talking 60.
Only 60. Well, look how much.
40 back.
Why would you do that? Why can't you just give me your 50?
Does it look like I got another 10? Yeah.
How much you need back? 40.
Oh shit.
Oh. You have 10 on you?
Let's get change from the bank.
Hey, bank. Can you give me 10?
More 10, so...
Who the hell is that?
Come on, he has all the reds.
This is Queen Camille.
$18.
Two more?
No, you need to give her another.
$18?
You gave her 40, right? Yeah. Wait. I got. Oh, yeah.
Hang up the damn phone.
I'll give you 300 for the water.
I'll give you 300 for
I'll
that.
give you 500 for the blue one.
Raise it up.
Ooh.
Raise it up.
I'll give you
1,000.
1,000 for both of them.
1,000.
Hey, you want this?
I want it. Let me get this.
How much? I'll give you 700.
200.
No. 800.
You're about to lose your money again. 200. That's hella money for this.
850.
250.
900.
300.
1,000.
1,000 and your electronics. 1,000 and the electronics.
No,
1,000 and the electronics.
hell no.
That's hella money if you buy hotel. Look at that. People have to pay you $2 grand. 1,000 and the electronics.
1,000.
Hide these components.
Electronics.
I can't get the other one.
Electricity.
Hi, Mom.
Electricity.
I'm videotaping. 500.